To transfer money from a specific app to your bank account, start by opening the app and logging into your account. The currency balances in your account will be displayed at the top of the screen. Select your preferred currency from the over 50 options available. The app allows you to send money to over 80 countries, making it a convenient option for international transfers. Once you've chosen your currency, tap Send and input the amount and currency you want to transfer. You can also view the exchange rates on this page if you need to convert the currency before the withdrawal. Next, choose the bank account you want to send money to and provide the necessary account details, such as the account number, account holder's name, and bank name. For USD transfers, you'll also need to provide the routing number. After entering the required information, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. If all the details are accurate, tap Send Money to complete the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you'll receive a notification. Transferring money from the app to your bank account is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps.